Is it possible to live in a historic castle for less than $1 million? It sure is. Check out this 7,500 square foot European-style castle that just sold for $950,000 in Alliance, Ohio. Completed in 1930, the 26-room castle is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Robert and Elizabeth Purcell built the French Normandy-style castle in the late 1920s. But in 1932, Robert, an aviator and industrialist, died in a plane crash. His young widow did not stay in the mansion. The house has 5 bedrooms and 6.5 bathrooms. 3 of the bedrooms have carved wooden beds with gargoyles and floral motifs. The home is built in an L shape with a round tower where the 2 wings meet. A library sits atop the tower and offers views of the gorgeous grounds. The kitchen has both original cupboards and modern appliances. On the floor below are the pub room and wine cellar. The estate's modest price reflects its unassuming location. If it were in a different part of the country, it would likely be worth several million.